Biafra youth and some Nigeria youth are very, very angry of the injustice, the atrocities Tinubu government, APC government, Nigeria government is committing. And Biafran youth don vow say if this thing continues, that they are ready to go a full-blown war with Nigeria government. My people, you don read though. This one sound boom. All of you know say that the Nigeria police arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu brother and his lawyers, and here wetin Sowore wan talk concerning it. I get another video of wetin the police talk concerning the arrest, and you go hear these people wey dey against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, somebody like Ikenga Oronkata, you go hear wetin him talk before and wetin dey talk now. Make you understand wetin dey happen. This country, everybody is very angry. Everybody is very angry of things that is happening. You see this demon, I've seen this in before, that whole Nigeria captive. The day he go sleep, people wake up. Everything you see in other country is a child play. Watch this video, full video.
You arrested Nnamdi Kanu's brother,
Emmanuel Kanu, yes.
And you arrested his lawyer too.
Barrister Aloy, yes.
Why?
Because they insisted on making way to the restricted areas. And not just 2 of them, 6 others were also arrested around Transcorp for this same reason. So we arrested a total of 8 of them. They are currently at the state CID. And once we conclude our investigation, just like we said in our statement, that anybody who violated that court order would be arrested, diligently investigated, and prosecuted. So once we conclude that, which we should tonight, then they'll be prosecuted immediately. In less than 24 hours, they'll be facing the court.
So now, people are going to be prosecuted because they are exercising their constitutional rights.
No, you're getting it wrong.
The question is that are they aware? Would any citizen be prosecuted for an offense he or she is not aware of? And that's why we're asking, where is the court order? How many you went to court ex parte to get the court order, but you never made it available to Nigerians.
They were arrested not for carrying out their lawful duties, but for contravening a valid court order.
A court order that was not made available to the public.
The court order is there, and in our statement on Saturday, we mentioned the court, we mentioned the judge, we mentioned the court order number, we mentioned everything. We were so plain, we made it clear, and we also warned that anybody that contravened that court order would be arrested. We made it clear.
So, is the police aware of a possible optics of what happened today? Whether or not the police is on the side of the people or on the side against the people? Is police aware and managing these optics?
Well, I don't think it's as bad as you make it look.
Is it me that make it look?
No,
as
you're painting. I don't think it's as bad as you are painting. A couple of, in fact, do you know, this happened in Abuja, and one man carried a placard in Lagos, and a few people in Abia State, and that's all, no other states. So these people came out, and we tried our best. We managed the situation. I think we deserve commendation for this.
What they are trying to do is that they know they don't have a case. And the lawyer, the lead lawyer, who has been challenging them, they want to put him away. At the time that they said his clients should open his defense. You are the one who said go and open his defense. Yes. The lawyer is preparing, but now you are taking the lawyer away so that he cannot prepare for him to open his defense. What we're trying to say is that we got here this morning, and lo and behold, the police has rushed here without letting his lawyers be aware of their client's whereabouts. And the judge, upon discovering that there was no lawyer around, has sent them to the prison. That was the goal of the illegal IG. To send this guy away. That's the goal of Tinubu, to make sure that there are no lawyers to defend him when he returns to court, to open his defense. That is it. That is the tactic you are saying now. And you see that they're also sponsoring propaganda that it was Sowore that got them arrested. Yeah. It is part of the propaganda so that they will use that to divide us. Propaganda. Yes. And we are used to that. I am here to get Nnamdi Kanu released.
Yes.
And nobody who's been held, including Igbos, that were tagged IPOB members who are all languishing in several detentions. In one barrack, in Tiger Base, we will get everybody out.
Yes.
It's either we are free in this country or we ensure that we fight for our independence again.
Exactly. Yes. Freedom or nothing.
That is why I have no apologies. When you hear me say that Nigeria needs a revolution, this is what I mean.
Yes, we need a revolution.
Without a revolution, everybody will take you for granted. Even a chicken can take you for granted. Bees, flies, you know, we take you for granted. Rats, we take you for granted. But in this case, we are prepared for whatever it will take. That's why they never thought I could come out yesterday. And they said, oh, you know, after the tear gas was, they thought it was over. Yes. We protested in this Abuja in 6 places. Yes. We were emerging in different parts of the city. And with their help, they were able to help us shut down the city. Exactly. Even the judge who gave an order that we cannot go to Aso Road could not resume to work yesterday. We hear his own case. So, but just be prepared. You know, those of you who were afraid this last time or who were convinced not to come out, know that nothing can happen to you if we all unite en masse. Exactly. If the mass decide today that we want Nnamdi Kanu release, they will release him.
When people say yes, nobody can say no.
Revolution!
No, revolution!
There's an update. That's an update. It's not today.
After we meet here, they're telling me you can restrict my Free Nnamdi Kanu! No! 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 Freedom Nnamdi Kanu! 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 We are ready! Freedom Nnamdi Kanu! 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 When we are here, freedom Nnamdi Kanu. When we are here, freedom Nnamdi Kanu. Freedom Nnamdi Kanu. We must fight for justice. We must fight for justice. We must fight for justice. Nobody can say no. Nobody can say no. Nobody can say no. Nobody can say no. Nobody can say yes. Nobody.
Have you seen Larry?
When people say yes, nobody can say no.
There's an update. That's an update.
After we meet here, I'm telling you, you get a restricted lawyer.
Free Nnamdi Kanu! No! 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 Freedom Nnamdi Kanu! Freedom Nnamdi Kanu! Freedom Nnamdi Kanu!
I want you people to listen, because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu have finally spoken. After this message, they will still tell you, oh, it's not true. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu never asked you to go and kill people to get him. He never asked you to do that. If you do that, you are your own.
I have said it before and I will repeat what I said. If we engage in killing, Biafra will not come. That is one cardinal thing you don't do in Biafra. Go and ask anybody. Anytime you shed an Igbo blood, you kill a fellow Biafran, anything you're looking for will not come. Go and ask all of them. Starting from the death of Mbonuji.
And as stupid as you people are, you keep defending him. You are talking of Nnamdi Kanu. Immediately saw me say, Nnamdi Kanu, stop saying Nnamdi Kanu. The problem is the foolish Nnamdi Kanu. And he will go to jail. He's a gunner. Okay. Nnamdi will go to jail. Nothing on earth can stop it.
My people, as you don't watch this video, make you share them and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as you don't read.